Hello everyone. In today's session we are going to learn to solve quadratic equation by factorization, and today especially we will learn how to split the middle term. Now a general quadratic equation can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where we all know a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant term, and we all also know that a cannot be equals to 0. Now what are the steps to split the middle term? So the first step is to find the product of a and c. So that's the first step. Second step, find the factors of a and c. That means the factors of the product a and c. Third one is to rearrange the factors such that we get two values p and q, where p into q will give me the product same as a into c, and p added to q or subtracted to q will give me the value b. Okay, so we write ax square as, suppose, p plus q into x plus c equals to 0. Then we simplify this one and write it like this. We will find something common between these two terms, the first two terms and the last two terms. And by taking common, suppose we come to a situation x plus n1, x plus n2 equals to 0. Now this is now factorized. After this we use the zero product rule. Now what is a zero product rule? Let us try and understand. Suppose, for example, you have a situation like this, such that y into z is equals to 0. Now we can see that the right hand side is already 0. So in order to get the answer 0, either y has to be equals to 0 or z has to be equals to 0. Then only the answer 0 will come. Otherwise it's not possible. So in this case also, if you can see, either x plus n1 is equals to 0 or x plus n2 is equals to 0. So if x plus n1 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus n1, and if x plus n2 is equals to 0, then x is equals to minus n2. So this minus n1 and minus n2 will be the roots or the solution of this quadratic equation. Now to further learn this one clearly, let us take one example. Suppose, for example, I'm taking this equation 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now let us split the middle term of this quadratic equation and find the solution or the root of this equation. So first, in the rough work column, what I'm doing, see, rough work column, I'm multiplying the coefficient of x square with the constant term and I get 4. Then I find out the factors of 4. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So you have 1 into 2 into 2 is equals to 4. If I split this into two parts, then I get 2 into 2 is equals to 4, such that 2 plus 2 will also give me the 4, which is the second term b. So now in this quadratic equation, we can write 4x square plus, instead of 4 we can write 2 plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Remember, I have taken 2 plus 2 because 2 plus 2 will not only give me 4, but 2 into 2 will give me the product of A and C. Now we open the bracket and simplify. So when I open the bracket, it becomes 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now from the first two terms, we can see that 2 is common, x is common. 2 2s are 4 and x plus 1. From the last two terms, only 1 is common. So plus 1 is common. So 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now again in these two terms, 2x plus 1 is common. So if I take out 2x plus 1 common, what is left? 2x plus 1 again. Now using the zero product rule. As I mentioned, in a zero product rule, either 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, that is 2x is equals to minus 1, therefore x is equals to minus 1 by 2. Or again same thing is there, 2x plus 1. Now I'm talking about this one. 2x plus 1 is equals to 0, that is 2x is equals to minus 1, therefore x is equals to minus half. So what is the solution of this quadratic equation? Remember, each quadratic equation will have two solutions, but it's possible that both the solutions are same, like in this case, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 in both cases. So this is the solution of this quadratic equation.